Hi, really nice to meet you. My name is Martin, and I'm going to be your teacher for all courses and careers related to science subjects while you're in class 11th. I'm a founding member of the faculty at Auro.Edu. You can call me Martin or just Marty. Unlike your other teachers, you can think of me more as a friend. I'm here not only to teach you about some of the exciting innovations happening in the world around you, but also to have some fun while you're doing it. That way, you can decide what you want to do when you grow up. So let's get started. Code, current, and concrete. Understanding engineering. Jobs goes beyond the basics to explore how engineering shapes the way we live, build, and solve problems. We'll dive into the worlds of code, circuits, and construction, understanding how engineers think, create, and innovate. Whether you're dreaming of building smart cities, designing the next big tech, or powering the future with sustainable solutions, this course gives you a chance to explore the impact and potential of engineering careers. Let's build something awesome together. What is software development? Let's start with the basics. Software development is about writing instructions for computers. These instructions are called code. Think of it like writing a recipe that the computer can follow to make something work. Like playing music or opening a game. Everything from your calculator to your favorite social app was created by a software developer. Without code, your phone would just be a shiny block. Why is software development important? Software is everywhere. It powers your messaging apps, video games, banking, and even school portals. It's not just about tech. It's about solving real-world problems. Software helps doctors treat patients, students learn online, and businesses grow. And yes, it's a great career too. Developers are in high demand and can work in any industry. Software engineer. A software engineer is like a digital problem solver. They take an idea, like an app to order food, and write the code to bring it to life. But they don't work alone. They collaborate with designers, product managers, and other engineers to make sure everything runs smoothly. It's about teamwork, precision, and building systems people can trust. Full stack developer. A full stack developer is the all-rounder. They work on both the front end, what the user sees, and the back end, how it all works behind the scenes. If you enjoy variety and want to understand the full picture, this is the role for you. Full stack devs are in high demand because they're versatile and efficient. Front-end developer. Front-end developers design what users see. The buttons, colors, layout, that's their world. They use languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build responsive, interactive websites. If you love visual design and making things look polished, you'll enjoy front-end development. Back-end developer. Back-end developers handle the invisible logic, the part that connects the app to a database and ensures everything runs. They deal with servers, APIs, and authentication. It's like being the brain of the operation, making sure data moves and gets stored securely. Web developer. Web developers build the websites you visit every day, whether it's Google, Wikipedia, or your school site. They often work on both front-end and back-end parts. This is one of the most popular entry points into tech, because it's very hands-on and rewarding. Mobile app developer. Mobile app developers build apps for your phone or tablet, from WhatsApp to Subway Surfers. They use tools like Android Studio or Flutter to ensure apps look great and run fast on every device. As mobile usage grows, so does the demand for mobile developers. Game developer. Game developers create virtual worlds, from Minecraft to FIFA. They write the code that makes characters move, levels load, and actions happen. It's a blend of art and programming, using tools like Unity and Unreal Engine. And yes, many of them started as kids who just loved games. software architect. A software architect plans the entire structure of a system before a single line of code is written. Think of them as city planners for code. They choose the best technologies, organize the flow of data, and guide teams on how to build complex systems efficiently. Programming languages. Programming languages are how we talk to computers. Python is great for beginners. JavaScript makes websites interactive. Java runs mobile apps. Each has its strengths, like tools in a toolbox. Start with Python, then explore others as you grow. Development tools and IDEs. Developers use tools to make coding easier. VS Code is a popular one. It's like a smart notebook for writing code. Then there's the command line, which looks complicated but offers powerful shortcuts once you learn the basics. Version control, Git and GitHub. Ever hit undo and save your work? Git does that for code. It tracks changes and lets you go back if something breaks. GitHub hosts your code online so others can collaborate, give feedback, and contribute. It's a must-learn for every developer. Databases. Databases store data like usernames, messages, or high scores. Think of them like smart notebooks that apps can read and write to instantly. MySQL and MongoDB are two popular options. Every app you use has a database running behind the scenes. Deployment. Deployment is how you take an app and put it online so people can use it. Platforms like Heroku and Firebase make this easy. It's the moment your project goes from private code to a real-world product that anyone can try. How to start your journey. You don't need to be a genius to start coding, just curious. Begin with visual tools like Scratch or try a Python tutorial. Build a simple project like a quiz or mini game. The key is to start small and keep experimenting. Project-based learning. The best way to learn is by building. Projects help you apply what you learn and boost confidence. Make a calculator, design a website, or even create a mini chatbot. Each project teaches you something new and helps build a portfolio. Tech trends, AI, cloud, and more. AI is helping computers think. Cloud platforms let you run apps globally without fancy computers, and smart devices, from watches to voice assistants, are powered by code. Today's tech trends are your tomorrow's playground. Cool developer fact. Did you know the person who created the World Wide Web, Tim Berners-Lee, did it alone? Or that a teenager built Flappy Bird, which went viral worldwide? Software history is full of stories where small ideas became huge hits. We've covered a lot: developer roles, tools, how to start, and where the industry is going. Here's the key takeaway. Software development is for everyone. It's fun, powerful, and full of possibilities. So start coding, and maybe your app will be the next big thing.